Hello, my name is Audrey Anderson. I'm the Director of Marketing and Communications with Golden Shovel Agency. And I want to show you all how to resize your photos using Canva. So Canva does have a free and paid version that you can use. I'm logged into a paid version right now, but everything I show you should be able to be accomplished through that free version as well. So what happens when you have two different pictures that are different sizes, but when you add them to the website, you want them to look the exact same? So I've got these two images here. You can see this first one when I pull it up is very large. If I highlight it, it'll show me the dimensions here on the bottom. You can see this one's 6600 by 4400. That is a huge photo file. In contrast, this one opens up a lot smaller. If I highlight this one's showing up as about like 500 by 300. It's very different. When we upload them to our website, I do not want them to have these different sizes like this. Not to mention this really large file might take a little bit longer to load, slowing down your site speed. So what can we do to make sure that these are showing up exactly the same? Well, I'm going to go into Canva. And I'm going to click this Create a Design button here. It does have a bunch of different templates that you can choose from. So if you always want to use like the Facebook template here, about 900 by 700 pixels, great. If you've got a very specific size, you can click this button down here that says Custom Size, which is what I'm going to do today. It's been recommended to me that pictures at 465 by 290 are great size for on Golden Shovel website, so I'm going to use those dimensions. And we've got pixels selected here. And then I'm going to create new design. From here we get a blank template or canvas, and we can just upload our pictures right to here. So I'm going to find my two pictures here again, and I'm just going to drag and drop them into the uploads. And actually this one is so big that we're going to have to make it smaller first. Let's try uploading this one. So once this one's uploaded, I'll just click it, or you can drag and drop it into the canvas, and then I'll go and size it to make sure it matches these dimensions. You see here we've got some extra white space, so I'm just going to drag it so it fills the entire canvas. You can adjust the picture if you need to, if you're doing that sizing, that's maybe cutting off a little bit of your picture. And then going back to this one, since it was such a large file, I'm working on a MacBook. This will be a similar process, but different buttons if you're working on PC or any other file or computer. So I'm going to go to Tools and Adjust Size. And from here, I'm just going to bring it all the way down to like 1,000 for the width, and then it automatically changes the height to width there. So I've got this scale proportionally. I'm going to accept that. You can see that changed the picture a lot smaller just by doing that. We'll save this. And then now we'll try uploading it. Now we're under the correct megabytes. And I'll just select this here. You can drag and drop it into our canvas and make sure that it fills the whole screen. I might move it up a little bit so we don't have as much sky in there. And from there, you're able to click this share button and then download. And you can download them as PNGs, JPEGs. I usually do JPEGs because they're a little bit smaller file, again, helping with that site loading speed. And I want to download both of my images together. So I can download them, and they will save onto your computer. And when we open them, they should be the exact same size. And then also when you're uploading them into your website, again, they will stay the same size. If we highlight them here, we can see those are the exact dimensions that we had given Canva. We'll check this one too, exact dimensions that we had given Canva. So I hope this helps.